When anxiety spirals out of control, your brain disconnects from the present moment. The 5-4-3-2-1 method is a powerful tool to force your brain back to reality. It works by engaging all five of your senses, interrupting the panic loop. Let's walk through it together right now. First, look around and find 5 things you can see. Notice the color of the wall, a picture frame, or a tree outside. Next, find 4 things you can physically feel. Feel the texture of your shirt, the chair beneath you, or your feet on the floor. Now, listen closely and find THRE things you can hear. It could be the hum of the fridge, birds outside, or traffic in the distance. Then, find TWO things you can smell. Maybe it's your perfume, a candle, or the smell of fresh air. Finally, focus on O1 thing you can taste. Take a sip of water, or just notice the taste in your mouth. By the time you finish this countdown, your heart rate will often be slower. You have given your brain a task, distracting it from the perceived danger. You can do this exercise anywhere, and no one will even know. Practice it when you are slightly anxious to master it for severe panic. You have the tools to calm your mind. You are safe, and you are grounded.